Very much. Senator Regan.
Can I just raise an issue of perjury today? There is in the Statutory Declaration Act 38 the legislation which makes an offence to lie on oath. You also have the Electoral Abuses Act, the Prevention of Electoral Abuses Act 23, which makes it an offence to malign or defame a candidate in an election. Now, I think perjury goes to the heart of the criminal justice system, and in fact that's what a judge last year in a case in Limerick indicated when a man was convicted or sentenced to 1 year in prison for perjury after he withdrew his evidence in a criminal trial. And the judge said that perjury and giving false evidence goes to the very core of the criminal justice system and the rule of law. And in another case of perjury last year, the judge said it was an attack on the system of justice. Now, I want to raise an issue about a minister lying on oath. I mean, we've got used to ministers lying, but lying on oath, I think, is a new law. And it does concern the Minister for Defence, Willie O'Dea, who in a High Court case,
Senator,
the case has concluded...
a very serious charge you're making here in this House.
The case has concluded, and it is on his own admission and in an apology to the court last December that he admitted...
Now, the Leader, do you want a debate?
No, I want a question.
Questions to the Leader. Now, we're on the order of business. No. Questions to the Leader.
I have a very specific question for the Leader.
Well, I'd like to hear that to the Leader.
But I have to introduce the question and explain the question.
There's no great need now to give a preamble for a question.
The fact is that the Minister most categorically and emphatically denied that he made an allegation about an ownership of a brothel in Limerick of a candidate in the local elections. Now, that is why Judge Cook did not grant an injunction in that case. The court was misled. Now, the Minister, when the tape of the interview of the journalist was produced, admitted that he made a false statement and apologised to the court. But the reality is he only did so when he was found out. And I'm asking, Leader, whether the Minister has been held to account by the Leader of your party, and will you make a statement on this matter? Because it is a new law, and I think it is a very serious charge, and I think in any other jurisdiction a Minister would be held to account. And I think there is an issue.
Senator, please, Senator Regan, your time is up, but ask you to resume your seat. Ask you to resume your seat.